expensive. So this is the unboxing. I'll probably do another video testing it out, but you can see it came with this, which is the this is the where the chain goes. This is the cover for the chainsaw. This is, I think this is like a tool set. That's a tool set right there. Came with a little funnel. Also came with this mixing can. We're not gonna use it, but you know, we use this one over here. And the actual, got the manual here, and the actual chainsaw. There's nothing in the box anymore, but this is the chainsaw right here. Just wanted to make a video because I haven't made a product review video, and I know a lot of people like watching my product review videos. This is just an unboxing. So this is what you get for $100. Been seeing this brand Vevor. Like I said, I had a couple of steel chainsaws, but you know, it's 2026, everything's getting pricey, and that's how it looks. And like I said, that's what it comes with for $90. It comes with the chainsaw, the mixer, a funnel, the chain bar, and also, let's check this out right here, what it comes with. Gave me 2 pairs of earplugs. It's good. This is a chain right here, saw chain, and a couple of more tools here, so I could go ahead and assemble the chain. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this, like I said, for $90. I'll say like $105 with shipping, but this is pretty much what you get. In the next video, I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much you know, turn it on for the first time, and then we'll test it out. We'll see how good it works.